Hello friend, this is a BMW F10 5 Series ambient light. It's a dynamic. Let me show you around this. And the dashboard is a Galaxy and the 4-door is dynamic. This is Galaxy, the door is dynamic, and the full kit will include, you see, and the dashboard, doors, and the footwell, cruise handle, storage box. Okay, that covers everything about this F10 ambient lights. And next we show you about the control, the color control. This is the app control ambient light. I'm gonna open this. Okay, same thing. Now it's connected to the box. Okay, now it's illusion mode. We change different mode. And each mode has different effect. Streamer, and this also has different effect. We call it stack. Let's see the effect now. Go from this side to the other side gradually, and until it's full. You see the effect now calm down. And disappear. And again, change the color. Okay, next, tailing. This one is like shooting star. Shooting star. Okay, also different effect. Yeah, this one. Wow, this color is very nice. This like shooting star. Okay, next is the rhythm. Rhythm is what is like when you play music in the car, and light works follow the rhythm of the music. Okay, imagine. And the last one is the single. This is a single. And you can change color, different color, single color. Red. Next I change orange. This is orange. And next yellow. Okay, yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. It's nice. Let's show you this. Also, you can DIY. Many DIY. Also, our lights support the warning system. When you turn on this is door. And this is the radar. This is steering. This is the air and the blind spot.